Last thing is someone else, and this is the biggie, and this is why I'm not completely sold on this hypothesis that we're going to see the dollar collapse. The last thing is we need someone else to step up to become the new spender. And really the only part of the world that really has the capacity to do this, the institutions and infrastructure to do this still left over, is Europe. And it looked like for a brief moment that Europe was going to do that, right? We saw this massive spending proposal and it got rejected. Germany rejects this massive spending proposal. I think France also had some spending proposals they put forward that have started to roll back. So at this point, we're seeing no one else really step up to the plate to become the big spender, to become the big importer, to become the de facto go-to kind of new dollar regime where the credit cycle revolves around. So at this point, Europe had its chance. It's kind of whiffing at it and deciding that it just wants to continue with austerity for whatever reason. So at this point, even despite the cuts that we've seen in spending on the U.S. side, we still are a fiscal juggernaut. And if it remains that way, and if the U.S. kind of remains the only spender on the block, I think there is still a good case to be made that we return back to the long-term dollar uptrend and the world goes back to normal.